Hi, this is the Huawei MatePad 11.5 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. But I'll just change one more settings just to unlock the device directly, not to swipe to unlock. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the face unlock option works here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. And we could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.